From now on, whenever you bring on a new person, put them through this exercise. If they will not go through this exercise, do not waste a minute of your time with them because they will never be successful if they won't follow your guidance. Here's the exercise. Take a clean sheet of paper and write down your goals in today's state. Then write down 10 goals that you would like to accomplish in the next 12 months and write them in the present tense. I earn, I achieve, I weigh, I drive such and such a car, I own next. Take this list of 10 and ask yourself, if I had a magic wand and I could wave this magic wand to have any one goal on my list within 24 hours, which one goal would have the greatest positive impact on my life? Usually, this will jump out at you. Put a circle around that goal, and that's the goal you transfer to a clean sheet of paper. Then, follow the 7 steps. 1. Write it down. 2. Set a deadline. 3. Make a list of everything you have to do to accomplish it. 4. Organize the list into a checklist. 5. Take action. 6. Do something every day. If you'll just do this, nothing can stop you but yourself.